At the foundry, you're in charge of your destiny.
My bachelor's degree is in metallurgical engineering, so that's pretty much just a door opener.
As an intern, it was a way to get into the business.
I was a metallurgist for a little over a year. Then I became the quality manager.
Where I am now is where I always wanted to be.
I started as a metallurgist and I became CEO. The prior CEO had the same career path as I did.
The focus that Waupaca puts on its people and training its people and giving opportunity for growth is something that's unique.
Waupaca knows that they're successful because of their people.
Through different opportunities and chances for improving our processes or equipment, really gave me the foundation to grow into an engineer.
It's not up to your manager what you're going to do long term. If you find something else within the plant that you think you could be good at, they'll give you that opportunity.
Waupaca is open to moving people around, open to change, open to let you try anything you want.
Investing in our team through career pathing, continual education, and a commitment to promote from within is the key to maintaining the most knowledgeable workforce in the industry. Cast a solid future where you can make a difference at Waupaca Foundry.
When you look at our promoting from within and the growth that we have every year, the possibilities for you are limitless.